Hello, welcome everybody in my channel. Yeah, okay, so everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I really want to share something close to my heart. Okay, so finding strength during tough times. Life can be hard. Okay, so we all face moments that teach us, moments that make us feel like giving up, but it's in the moment that we find out true strength. Okay, and there was a time in my life also when everybody seems dark, I feel lost, scared and alone, and it was the time when I thought I couldn't go on. But then something amazing happened. I found strength in the smallest things. And the a small stranger hug from a friend, or even the warmth from the sun on my face. Those small moments gave me hope, really. I also learned that power of asking for help. I reached out to my family and friends, and they were there for me. Okay, so always, if you have some problem going on, if you have something, if you need something, so feel free, to ask your friends or family, the one who can you trust. It really helps, and their support and their love remind me that I wasn't alone. Okay, sometimes just knowing that someone cares can give you and me, give us the strength that we need to keep going. And so it really helps, and I think it will really help you too, sure. So please, okay guys, if you are going, if you need something, if you having some problem, make sure that you share someone who is very close to you, that it will help somehow. It will connect to you, to other person, that they will their help, their love, we need. Yeah, and thank you so much for your time, thank you so much for your patience, thank you so much for your love, and thank you so much for everything. Okay, and enjoy your day, have a good day, and this is the life. Happy ending. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.